Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread with corn. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and grease a 9-inch pan. Combine 1 cup yellow cornmeal, 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon salt in a bowl. Stir wet ingredients in another bowl, then fold in 1 cup fresh corn kernels. Pour batter, smooth the top, and bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean. Start by whisking the dry ingredients together so baking powder distributes evenly. Mix wet ingredients separately, including 1 cup milk and 2 large eggs, then combine with the dry mix. Stir gently until the batter is just combined. Small lumps are fine and help keep the cornbread tender. Fold in the corn kernels gently so they stay intact. Transfer to the prepared pan and bake until the top is golden and set. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in any kitchen light, and it's compact enough to sit next to your mixing bowl without stealing counter space. I've linked it in the description along with other deals, so check there if you want one. And now let's get back to the video. Place the pan in the center of the oven and bake at 375 degrees F for about 20 to 25 minutes, testing with a toothpick. Resting the baked cornbread for 10 minutes helps the crumb set and makes clean slices easier. If you like a crisp edge, slightly cool and then run a knife around the pan. Serve warm with butter or honey, or pair with a bowl of chili for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.